I am in awe with my Gardyn Hydroponic Vertical Garden. This is a new technology that you can use at home to grow vegetables, herbs, and all kinds of lettuce and even flowers. And today we're going to be using it to harvest our fresh jalapenos to make two easy salsas. Our jalapenos take about 60 to 80 days to be able to harvest, and the plant is about 2 feet. They are excellent for sauces. I also have tomatoes, and right now we're also growing strawberries. But today our focus is to harvest these delicious, plumped, and gorgeous jalapenos for our two salsas. In addition to my jalapenos, I had yellow bell pepper, I have avocado, onions, a lemon because I didn't have limes, tomatoes, and cilantro. First, I'm going to chop a quarter onion. Then we diced about 4 tomatoes. It depends on how many people you're going to serve. You could add more if you want. You could dice or chop, rough chopped, however you prefer. They're gonna be blended and mixed in. So then we have a quarter yellow bell pepper. You could use green or red, but I had yellow, so I wanted to give it that color. And I actually ended up using 2 of the fresh garden homegrown jalapenos. They are delicious. I left the seeds because I wanted spicy, but if you want less spice, just take the seeds out. But for us, we want a full flavor. Now just take a bunch of cilantro and rough chop it too. I will say probably this is about a quarter cup. Add it in both of the containers. Remember, we're making 2 sauces. Now for one of them, which is the guacamole, we're going to use 1 or 2 ripe avocados. I used 1 for this amount and it was enough. And notice that I use my lemon on the avocado and then the rest on the actual veggies, just to keep the color on the avocados. Go ahead and mash it really nice. And the first one, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, pink salt, and black pepper to your liking. This is so easy. And now we mix all the ingredients really well, and our first recipe is ready. This is the Pico De Gallo. Now, after the Pico De Gallo, we're gonna blend that avocado and lemon mix into the rest of the veggies, and just like that, you have now right here, after you mix well, a nice delicious chunky guacamole. 2 sauces made at the same time for different purposes. So easy, delicious. We actually had some of them on top of steak today, and tomorrow we're going to use them on tacos and nachos. Here's the Pico De Gallo, the chunky guacamole, and all of our ingredients. Again, check out the list so you can make your own recipe. Remember that Gardyn is hydroponic vertical garden. We grew these fresh jalapenos there, and I'm leaving you, they were delicious. I'm leaving you a QR code so you could get a discount when you start your own gardening at home. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.